Hey folks, today I'm at the factory store for Native Bonafide kayaks. This is Big Adventures in Fletcher, North Carolina. Let's go ahead and mask up, head on in, and say hi to Lucas. We've just finished rigging it is a Liberty Edition Slayer Max, and we put the Ultralight 403A on there. Let's go check it out. This is such a cool shop here you got, man. How's it going, Lucas?
Good.
So we just finished rigging the, this is the Slayer Max Propel 12.5, and really what we wanted to do is to preserve, with the foot control steering slides, the range of motion of the pedal drive. So we were able to do that. And we're developing a kit for all of the native fishing boats that are going to include these 90-degree adapters and the right hardware to get these foot control steering slides on there. So we got the tubes through the hull. How'd that go, man?
It's okay.
It can be tough, but yeah. We got the Spectra cord going in right here. We're running along somewhere on the inside. We have one place to get in there. And we came out there. We ended up using the old coat hanger, metal coat hanger trick, but we got good range of rotation out of it. So if you get on the pedals, just kind of moving back and forth and show what kind of steering, just back and forth. Yeah. So we're gonna get it on the water here, close to the shop, and we're gonna see what speed she gets and what kind of turning radius. But this is really just a test run install for the kit that will become the kit for all the native boats and putting the Torqeedo on there. So
Nice.
Yep. All right. Cool. Let's go get her wet. Turn as crisp as you can. Just see if you can do donuts.
Switch back to the pedal drive.
So any interference with the pedals?
No.
The foot control steering.
No, it's good.
Good.
It's fun.
That's the goal.
It's tight.
Nice. So crisp steering.
Good action.
So we got what? A couple more weeks before we can pull this together and have a complete kit for folks to get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good stuff.
Well, this was just the test install, and this boat is at the Big Adventures factory store.
Yep.
Definitely swing by and see Lucas and check out some boats.
Yeah, y'all can stop by the shop at 210 Old Airport Road to check out the boats, but we'll also have public demo days, I think once a month or twice a month coming into the season at Lake Julian, so check us out.